for the Sea Lion Splash.
Good morning, Sea Lions. Hope you have a great day.
This is Sea Lion leader Violet Lowenthal with this week's announcements. There are 2 weeks left until report cards and winter break. Let's make it the best it can be. On Wednesday, 4th graders will audition to be narrators in this year's Pageant of the Arts. Good luck! The Outdoor Science School Parent Info Night is on Wednesday at 5 o'clock in the auditorium. We will have our emergency drill on Thursday at 10:45 a.m. Remember to listen to your teachers. Pageant rehearsal is on Thursday after school. Thanks for taking a risk and joining this year's pageant. Friday is the 80th day of school. That means all students with 4 or less absences will get the newest brag tag. This month's brag tag is winter themed. Attention all McGaw Idol performers. Your music is due to Mr. Larson by Friday afternoon. Remember to keep practicing. Thank you so much, Sea Lions. Have a fantastic week. Hey, Sea Lions, we wanted to know how we can make the holidays better. Let's see what some Sea Lion scholars have to say.
Be loving to everybody.
Spread holiday cheers!
We can help the homeless. Give someone a rubber. Spend time with your family. Help everyone. Help teachers. Be kind to everyone.
Give happiness from God! Happy holidays, Sea Lions!
What's that?
It's my rubber. I got it because I helped my friends in the line.
High five. Nice.
Universal Transitional Kindergarten.
Our first Roebuck winner goes to a student in Mrs. Barr's class. Congratulations to Tyler Rose. Tyler got a Roebuck for being responsible, aware, and honorable, and it says here that he went out of his way to help a friend clean up their mess, and he shared his game pieces with everyone else. Thanks so much, Tyler, for your raw behavior.
Kindergarten.
Our Roebuck winner in kindergarten goes to a student from Mrs. Hess's class. Congratulations to Kanoa Ying. It says here that Kanoa was an excellent reader today during reading slides. He was focused, responsible, and a role model in room 5. Way to go, Kanoa. Thanks for taking charge of your learning.
1st grade.
Congratulations to 1st grader from Miss Garola's class. Give it up for Colton Parkinson. It says here that Colton read an entire book that was filled with challenging words. He showed his perseverance when the work gets tough. Way to go, Colton. Thanks for sticking it out.
2nd grade.
Mrs. Rendell in 2nd grade is excited to celebrate the responsible behavior of Everly Bursuch. It says here that Everly did a great job at working independently and staying focused during reading. Thanks so much, Everly, for doing whatever it takes to succeed.
3rd grade.
Miss Chavez is excited to celebrate the hard work of her student, Emma Hoagland. This 3rd grader was very dedicated to maintaining the cleanliness of the field by cleaning up for all her friends. Thanks so much, Emma, for always thinking about McGaw first and doing the right thing.
4th grade.
Our 4th grade Roebuck winner goes to a student from Mrs. Seigen's class. Congratulations to all-time quarterback AJ Rimo. It says that he was doing the right thing when no one is watching. And you know what? AJ's been showing those leadership capabilities all year long. Thanks so much, AJ.
5th grade.
And finally, we didn't have any Roebucks in 5th grade, so we're going to choose 2 next week. Thanks so much.
That's a wrap, Sea Lions. Have a week.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.